Okay, so then B, when I look at the square root, so remember this 3 I'm going to just ignore for now. It's going to come down in my answer. But the square root of 16. So if you didn't know, square root of 16 is a perfect square. So you should have a pair of 4s. But let's say we didn't. So we'll say 2 and 8. And then 8 breaks up into 2 and 4. And then 4 breaks up into 2 and 2. So we've got 2 pairs of 2s. Which it equals 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So square root of 16 is 4. I already told you that. But just in case you didn't quite see it and you wanted to just keep going at it with this same process, you're more than welcome to keep doing it the same process. So the next thing is x to the 7th. So we can break that up into 7 x's. So we'll say x to the 7th equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll circle our x's, pairs. So we've got a pair of x's, this is 1, pair of x's, this is 2, pair of x's, this is 3, and 1 left over. And then we'll do y's. So y squared equals y times y. And then we'll circle our y pairs. There's just 1 pair of y's. Okay, so now let's see what we've got here. In our original answer, original problem, we have a 3 times, we've got a pair of 2's. So that's this one. We got another pair of 2's. So that's this one. Now we'll go to our x's. We have an x, we have another x, and we have a third x, and then we also have 1 pair of y's, so times a y. And then left over, I only have one thing left over, which is this x. So we'll have an x on the inside. Let's condense that because it looks super messy. So 3 times 2 is 6 times 2, that gives me 12. So I end up with 12. X times x times x is x cubed. Y, square root of x. And that is our simplified answer.